Just because t-shirts was the first product that you heard about when you started selling print on demand doesn't mean that needs to be the only product that you list. If you're having trouble getting sales or just looking for that next product to be able to expand your store into, there are lots of other products that can be great options for you. In AnywherePOD, we have thousands of other products listed in our product catalog, and a lot of times it can help to list other products that don't have quite as much competition as t-shirts and apparel. In this video, we're going to be going over 5 of my top products for you to list in your store. We're going to look at the data on these products, some good examples of products that are already selling well, the potential profit margins that you have on these products, and even all of your options to find and source these products and what providers offer them. Because AnywherePOD has such a strong user base, we're able to dive deep into the marketplace data and see what's selling well for people right now and what can be the most effective to grow your shop. So everything that we're going to cover today is based on actual data combined with some of our own research to find some of the top trending products that you can start listing today. And make sure to stick around until the end, because the 5th product that I'm going to show was really surprising to me that it's one of the top selling products on Etsy right now, and it's a little bit harder product to find, especially at such high quality as you have available now. If you haven't met me before, my name's Chris. I'm the founder of AnywherePOD, and over the last decade, I've helped thousands of print-on-demand sellers build, grow, and scale their shops. One of our main focuses at AnywherePOD is to not only have some of the print providers that are the most popular that you're used to seeing, but also have some print providers that have really unique products that you're not able to find anywhere else. So some of the ones that we're going to be going through in this list of 5 today are going to be products that are exclusive to AnywherePOD. That means you're going to have much lower competition when you go to list these on Etsy, and it's going to be a lot easier for you to find ways to be able to stand out from the rest of the crowd. The first product I want to talk about are wall tapestries. This one is a little bit surprising, but they do really well, especially in the event space. So anything from weddings to birthdays to bachelorette parties, they do really well because people are using them as signage for their event, and then it makes a great keepsake for them after the event as well. You can see some of the examples that I have pulled up on the screen here. This is a listing that is only 10 months old, so it's a newer listing, and they're already up to 71 sales a month, doing about $3,200 in revenue just on that one listing. Here's another custom design banner. Again, this is set up for parties as wall decor. And right now they're doing 72 sales a month, making over $4,000 a month. And this listing is only 7 months old. I love it when I see listings like this that are brand new, that have been created at some point within the last year, and they're already starting to take off and get some really good sales. Again, some of the design areas that this works really good for, anything in the event space. So we've got bachelorette listed here. We've got birthdays. So especially the big ones like 30th birthday, 40th, 50th birthdays. These work really, really well for. They can work great adding a touch of personalization. So photo uploads work really well for birthdays. They hang it up at the birthday party. Profit margins on these wall tapestries can be really good as well. Obviously, it depends a little bit on what size that you're selling and how much you list it for. But in general, you can expect a selling price, including shipping on these, somewhere around $37, which gives you about $13 per order on profit that you can make for each one of these orders. That includes shipping cost, Etsy fees, taxes, the whole 9 yards. So they can be a great profit margin. One of the things that I like about all of these products is you're able to make more than just a couple of dollars. It takes the same amount of work to list a product that has a $2, $3, $5 profit margin as it does any of these products. So it's really advantageous to spend your time listing products that have a little bit higher profit margin, because you're going to be better in the long run. The main print provider for these in AnywherePOD is going to be Printify. Listing them through AnywherePOD gives you the option to do more personalization options, like I was showing you with the customer being able to upload their own photo. You can utilize our live previews for that. You can do AI effects, different color and font options. There's a lot of different possibilities here to really be able to stand out with personalization. The next product I wanted to talk about might not seem quite as exciting at first glance, but when you dig into the numbers a little bit more, these are an awesome seller year round, and that's going to be the different styles of journals that are available. These are a great product that can fit into a lot of different niches that are able to sell year round, not just during the holiday season. There's multiple different styles of journals that you can create. We have a couple of different suppliers that now offer a leather journal, and then you also have your traditional soft and hardcover style journals that really open themselves up really well to personalization and being able to offer those journals with different background colors, all of which you can automate with Anywhere POD. So the customer is able to easily select their different background colors while they're checking out, and it makes it super simple for you. This first one I have pulled up here is an example of one of the leather journals that's been selling really well. You can see it was created just a little bit over a year ago, and they're already getting over 100 sales every month. This one listing is making about $3,800 in revenue every month. Here's an example of one of the hardcover journals. This is one that you would be able to customize the background color and let the customer choose what background color they wanted to offer on their product. This is an example, again, in that wedding niche. As I said, I love selling into the wedding niche because it's something that sells year round. Here's a summary of what your profit margins can look like. You can see you're able to sell these with shipping somewhere in the $32 range. I've seen some go quite a bit higher than that as well. So you can easily look at making around $8 profit on every journal. As I mentioned, there's several different suppliers that have this journal available. The regular kind of hardcover or softcover journals are available from multiple different suppliers from Printify, T-Launch, Shine-On has some options. We even have two providers, as I said, that now have that leather journal, one of which is Shine-On. They do a printed version of that leather journal, which is really nice because it's able to print in full color right on that leather journal. And then there's also a new supplier that we've recently added called OwnPrint, and they're able to do the laser engraved leather journal. I love laser engraved items because it really gives it a much a higher perceived value because the print quality on anything that's laser engraved is always really nice. So if you haven't checked those out yet, I would recommend checking out those laser engraved journals. This next product is one that I've been talking about for a while because I really think that this product is the hidden gem in the print on demand world right now, as there's not very many people that are selling these on Etsy. And these are the platters from Decoplate. This is a product that sells really well for the Mother's Day and Father's Day season in particular. Actually, most years during the Mother's Day and Father's Day season, these products sell even better than they do during Q4, which gives you a nice bump in sales during a time of year that's traditionally a little bit slower in the print on demand world. On top of that, they are an exclusive product to Anywhere POD, so the supplier does not have a direct integration, so they're not very readily available. So your competition, when you start looking into these niches, are a lot lower on Etsy because not very many people are able to find this product. Anybody that's new and just starting out, this is one of my favorite products to recommend to them. We've had many sellers that create their first listings and literally within a week or two are able to start getting their first sales, even as a brand new shop. I've also seen a lot of really good options for these for weddings or anything kitchen related. So things like grandma's cookie platter or a sourdough platter, those niches sell really well as well. This is one of those product lines that really is a little bit newer to the marketplace. So as I said, you don't have that level of competition, which means not every niche has been tested yet to see if it works. So this is one that sometimes you need to do some experimenting and find products that work in other niches that you think would lend itself well to be able to go on either the plates or the platters, and then be able to expand that niche into this new product category. Besides everything that I've already mentioned, one of my favorite things about these platters is that they have a really, really good profit margin. So these are selling anywhere in the 35, 40. I've even seen some up in the $50 range, and your cost on these is around $16.50 plus $10 shipping. So even with all of your Etsy fees and shipping costs, you're still looking at a total cost of somewhere around in the $34 range, depending on how much tax is for that particular order. You can see even at the low end, your estimated profit on these is $12 per order. Again, this is an exclusive product to Anywhere POD. So besides all the personalization options that you get by listing these products with Anywhere POD, you're also going to get that access to these plates and platters from Decoplate. If you want to learn more about the selling opportunity for these platters, I'll leave a link here to another video that we did covering these platters in more detail. Next up is another one of my favorite products, and these are blankets. A lot of customers end up avoiding blankets because creating mock-ups for blankets can really be kind of a pain to deal with because you're really kind of managing large files and it can be hard to get a mock-up that looks good. But again, that's another one of those things that's solved with AnywherePOD. You're able to automate all of your mock-up creation for any product. I'll leave a link here as well if you want to learn more about how you can create your own custom mockups with AnywherePOD. Blankets every year are a top seller on Etsy. Mothers and grandmothers love having an extra blanket, and they always sell really well during this time of year. There's a lot of different design categories that blankets can sell well in. There's not too many kind of design categories that I've found that these don't sell well in, and there's a ton of variety of different styles of blanket as well. So here's several blankets that we found that are selling well, that are using the woven blanket. Here's one that's a Renaissance or mystical theme niche. Weddings, again, they sell really well in. As you can see, the wedding, as I mentioned, is one of my favorite niches to get into because it really sells well across a wide variety of product categories. Photo blankets and photo collage blankets sell really well all year round. Pet memorial blankets always sell well. One of my favorites is taking the pet memorial niche and applying an AI effect to give it more of a watercolor painting feel. Those always sell really well. There's a lot of name blankets or repeating name blankets that you can automate with AnywherePOD as well that sell excellent. My two favorite strategies when you're listing blankets that most people overlook is to combine multiple styles of blankets. So we have several providers in AnywherePOD that often offer the woven style blanket. You can get it from Printify or Shine On or even NWW directly with AnywherePOD. I love also giving the customer the choice, if they don't want the woven blanket, to be able to select from a Sherpa or fleece blanket because those are very popular as well. And then my second favorite tip for blankets is to pair it with a pillow. So if you take the blanket and then you add a matching pillow, you can create those as a bundle in AnywherePOD, and it gives the customer the choice if they want just the blanket, just the pillow, or if they want to purchase both the blanket and pillow together, which can really help to drive up your average order value. And it's really kind of the old traditional, do you want fries with that question? And asking for that upsell can really help to boost your sales. All of these blankets across the board have a really good profit margin. Here's one just for example. Of course, this is going to vary depending on what size you sell. Most blankets come in 3 different sizes. In this example, we're looking at a total cost of $44. Price including shipping is around $70. So you've got an estimated profit of $26 per order. Our last product that I want to tell you about is one that is the most surprising about how many sales this product was getting, and it's one of our newest suppliers that's available in AnywherePOD. Total cost on this is really low, but your perceived value on these products is really, really high, making for excellent profit margins. And that product is message card jewelry. Now, a few years back, there was a lot of problems with some message card jewelry from some providers that was being sold on Etsy. This is because Etsy decided that those products were not handmade because you weren't able to edit the jewelry item itself. The jewelry was the same, and the only thing you could edit was the message card. Because of that, a lot of message card jewelry and stores that sold those products got completely shut down from Etsy. With this new product from OwnPrint, you're able to not only add your own custom message card, but you're also able to edit the jewelry item as it's a laser engraved pendant that you can add any design to. So this makes this product 100% compliant on Etsy and still gives you that high value of the message card. OwnPrint has been around for a while, but up until recently, it hasn't been very easy to be able to add customization to these types of products. But now that they're integrated in AnywherePOD, there's a lot of really, really good options between text personalization and using AI effects to turn images into laser engravable products. It really opens up the door on this product line. Let's take a look at a couple of examples of this product that's doing really well on Etsy right now. Here's the first one. This is a photo engraved necklace. It's selling about 32 times a month and is only 8 months old. That's almost $1,000 in revenue every month for a listing that is really new. This is just one example of this style. There's a lot of different options that you can do using the same concept. So what you can do with this is set it up using AI photo effects. So what you're going to do is be able to generate a prompt inside of AnywherePOD. that will take the customer's image and in real time be able to convert it to this laser engravable image that the customer is going to be able to see a live preview of before they purchase. So this is really going to help increase your orders because other sellers aren't using this method. So it's one way that you can really stand out from everybody else because everybody else is still doing it the old manual way. The customer is not real clear on what they're receiving, so they are less likely to purchase. I'll leave a link right here to a video that we recently did that covers the whole process on how to generate your prompts, how to generate your images and collect them from the customer so you can create these types of products completely hands-free. This next example is one that was really surprising to me. When I first saw this listing, I couldn't figure out what it was. At first glance, it looks like maybe it's two dragons breathing fire facing away from each other. I had absolutely no idea. So of course, the first thing that I did was clicked on it to see what the listing was all about. Turns out it's a nose dog print listing where the customer can send in an image of their dog nose and get it laser engraved on a piece of jewelry. One of the things that surprised me the most with this product is that it is selling 126 times every month. This one simple product they're making a killing off of. And I think one of the reasons is that we always try to keep our listings as polished as possible, try to make them look as neat as possible. And we end up having a lot of listings that all look similar. In this case, this is a listing that looks a little bit different. The featured image with the nose print of the dog seems a little bit odd, and it's really a scroll stopper. So if you're searching, you see an image and you're like, what is that? You're going to do the same thing that I did and click on that to see what it is. And a good majority of those people are making the purchase. This is another one that you can utilize the AI photo effects to be able to create a listing just like this, that the customer is able to see an actual live preview. With any product that you decide to sell on Etsy, it's all about trying to stand out from the crowd and stand out from everybody else. This product makes it really easy. All of these examples that I showed you today, none of them had that message card component. So they weren't able to add a message card to the design. Here's one design in the graduation niche that does use a message card. So you can see what that process kind of looks like. It really adds a much higher perceived value and gives the person another reason to purchase. Besides just the jewelry item, they're also purchasing that message card. They can have some really good sentimental value added to it. And with AnywherePOD, we're able to not only add personalization to the jewelry pendant, but you can also add personalization to the message card. They can make it even more meaningful. The other way that you're really able to stand out with this product, especially from OwnPrint, is their unboxing experience. The boxes that they send these products in is one of the best that I've seen across the entire print-on-demand industry. As you can see in the picture here, it's a really nice, high-end, classy box. Along with it, as you see on the gold package on the left, is a scented wax melt, and it really has a high-end feel when the customer receives the product. Even with all of these personalization and customization options and unique boxing options that this supplier has, you still have an excellent profit margin on this product. You can see price, including shipping. We're seeing these sell in the $40 range. Some of them are even getting higher than that, into the $50 range. The base cost on this product is only $11 and then $6.95 for shipping to the US or to Europe. So your cost is really, really low on this. You're looking at a minimum profit of around $16 per item. I hope you found this video helpful in discovering some additional products and niches that you can expand in your store. If you want to make sure that you don't miss any more videos from us like this, make sure to like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you on the next one.